29, ups and downs. In this piece, we have a half note, which gets 2 beats, followed by 2 quarter note rests. So make sure you stop your bow and count the 2 rests. Also in bar 3, you see that you have a D string followed by an A string in half notes. So you have to make sure you're going to swing your elbow to cross the strings with your bow. I will put my metronome on. This is the quarter note beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you know what the half note beat sounds like and feels like. So here we go. Let's get into playing position. We place our thumb toward the ceiling. Make sure you have a space above your thumb, inside your thumb. Fingers are lingering over the fingerboard and your bow arm is ready and placed at the frog on the D string, since that is our first note of the piece. After 4 counts, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest, A string. Rest, rest, D string. Cross to A. And then freeze. Let's try that again. When we are resting on the quarter note rests, make sure that you are taking that time to cross over to the A string, right? You don't want to just sit there and then do the crossing of the strings at the last minute. Try to do that before the actual downbeat of the second bar. Let's practice that again. Violins up from the beginning, please. 1, 2, ready, go. Cross strings. Cross to the D. A. And freeze here. Make sure you are at the frog. So you're going to be at the frog and at the tip, since you're drawing the bow, the full length of the bow for every note on this page. Thank you so much.